Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and you'll see that I'm with my mom again and we are twinning. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and today again we are moving out for pandal hopping. Stay tuned with us, and today is Shoshti. So happy Shoshti to everyone. Look at my mom, see, she is looking so pretty.
Hello everyone, watch the video till the end and enjoy with us.
And see, here's my dad waiting for us. Guys, y'all have seen my mom, but y'all haven't seen my dad yet. Just a second, here's my dad.
Hi all.
So we all are moving ahead and we are going today to enjoy the pujas along with my Masi. My Masi is also going to join. I'm going to introduce her also to you. Stay tuned. So everyone, I was talking about my Masi. So she is my one and only Masi.
Hello everyone, keep watching us rolling.
Watch us and we will be enjoying the vlog today while roaming around in the pujas. Though we came out for pandal hopping, but we had to shop a few things as well. So we went out for shopping, and here you can see the loads of bags getting loaded into our car. After this, we went for pandal hopping. The pandal behind me is at Hindustan Park. If y'all want, y'all can actually come and see here. The concept here is just it's in a khandar or an old house in Bengal. Look at these lights. Look at the banners out here. Calcutta is all lit up during Durga Puja. There are so many stalls here. And y'all can come and enjoy here. This is at Hindustan Park, just near Garyahat. Mummy, Masi. This is one more pandal just near that Khandar pandal at Hindustan Park. Let me just show you from inside.
दादा ये सामान ऐसे ही रहेगा
These two are always discussing something or the other. आज का क्या डिस्कशन है?
बहुत सारा शॉपिंग करना है, यही डिस्कशन है।
और क्या क्या है?
घूमना है, पूजा घूमना है।
और बेचारा मेरा पापा को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
अभी पुचका खाना है और एंजॉय करना है।
मासी एंजॉय कर रही है?
बहुत बहुत।
Panku, you should watch my vlog and watch. See, Masi is enjoying with us. मास्क खोल दीजिए मासी. पंकु भी देखेगा आपको. Mummy and Papa, they are busy eating puchkas. Masi and I, now we are going to see another pandal. We'll show you all also. मासी मजा आ रहा है?
Very much enjoying a lot. Tall. This year is better.
हाँ, much better. और इस बार क्राउड भी कितना आया है ना, निकले है ना सब लोग.
और ये है कि भाई हम लोग मास्क पहन रहे हैं.
हाँ.
ऐसे है.
Only for this video, we've like opened it for like 2 to 3 minutes, but we are all wearing our masks. Make sure that even you all wear your masks and then move out of your houses.
Yes.
This is another pandal at Hindustan Park. Again, it's all getting ready for the Saptami Puja.
It's a golden year jubilee. This pandal.
Wow, this pandal has completed 50 years and therefore it is their golden jubilee period. Pre-golden jubilee years. Wow. The pandal is all getting set up for tomorrow's Saptami Puja. देखिए अस्त्र सब लगाए जा रहे हैं. In our childhood days, we used to come here specially to eat puchkas. This is at Hindustan Park, and again we are here to eat puchkas.
अच्छा आप कल ले जाएंगे 20 रुपये दो लेंगे ले काफी 20 रुपये हमको मिलता रहने दो वो पत्ता निकाल के
Being in Kolkata and not going to Park Street is something that we can't do. Park Street is like the heart of Kolkata, and look at Park Street, how beautifully it is lit up for Durga Puja. And here's the tea, because these two cannot do without tea.
Along with the tray. And garam sambosa. Thank you, भैया.
We are at Park Street, Russell Dhaba. Outings without chatar patar, something which is not possible for me and my family members. We need something to munch on always. Masala muri, chhal muri, yummy muri of Kolkata is something which is very famous. If you ever visit Kolkata, do not forget to have chhal muri. Yet again, one more plate of chatar patar is here. This is papri chaat and it's yum from where we always eat. भैया कितना साल से बना रहे हैं? यहाँ पे कितना साल से बना रहे हैं?
यहाँ पे 30-40 साल हो गया
30-40 साल? और पूजा के टाइम में आपका सेल कैसे चल रहा है? अच्छा चल रहा है. पहले से बेटर है, पहला साल से
बहुत.
He makes awesome bhels and awesome papri chaats. He sits near this Ambassador Hall. Do come and visit him. He's really good and really clean. Thank you, bhaiya. I am here at barbecue. I had to like pack a few things for the house, as in few food items for the house. So I am here at barbecue and let me show you how barbecue looks like on Shushti. It's totally crowded and packed. It's around 8:15 in the night, but it's totally packed. Just look at it. I have got my food packed. Let me know in the comment section what all you have done for your Shushti. My Shushti outing is over with my family, and today my family will end the vlog.
Like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe.
Comment and subscribe.
Like, share, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you back again. Bye bye.